General Hospital's Butler for the next 2 weeks, November 6 to 17th, revealed that Sonny Corinto exposed Austin Gatland Holt True's color. Of course, Ava Jerome's was shocked to learn that the person Ava had trusted so much was a liar. Ava wanted to go to Austin right away to question what Ava had just learned. Austin and Mason Gatland are both Sarah Renault's henchmen. Ava wants to confirm that from Austin's mouth. However, Ava may be a bit late because Austin went to the police and confessed to Drew earlier. That Eva Connery is probably the person who would directly question Austin. Trina Robinsons wouldn't want to see Trina's boyfriend become desperate. Even Trina's was angered by Spencer's cast action. Spencer humbled himself and begged Esme not to move out. Of course, Trina was angry because Spencer treated Ace Castile more like a father than a brother. Trina will then share those things with Ava, and Ava will be the one to comfort Trina. Scout Gang was very happy to see his father again after many days apart. Of course, that was when Drew Kent had a reunion with Colleen Spencer before. Sam Mackle is happy with Drew's freedom, but Sam's was also a little disappointed when Drew considered Golly his top priority instead of Drew and Sam's daughter. Meanwhile, TJ Aspert and Molly Lanson Davis will also face some other trouble. It seems their surrogate has some medical issue and that directly affected the new baby. Nino Corinto tried to sell Collie half of Metro Court, which makes both Collie and Sonny feel suspicious. Nina then had to pretend to that Nina wanted to sell that assets because of work pressure. Nina was actually forced by Michael Corinto. Holly could try to find out the truth and not agree to buy half of Metal Court. Nina gets angry and explodes with rage at Michael. Perhaps Sonny's will happen to see the argument that Michael and Nina have to come up with an explanations for all of this. Dex Heller discovered Adam's unusual behavior and warned Jocelyn Jacks to stay away from Adam. In fact, it is possible that Adam's concern for Jocelyn was so excessive. Along with Jocelyn, may see the fight. Spencer wants to know what's going on. Jocelyn will try to explain all of this. Jack Swapper rushes to an event, newly rented house and see an injured Charles die. That makes Chick extremely worried that Charles may not be able to overcome this tragedy. But Chick quickly regained his composure and performed temporarily first aid measure for his girlfriend before medical personnel arrived. Anna shakes after believing she's mistakenly short Charlotte. Of course, Anna also questioned Charlotte's sneaky appearance at Anna's newly rented house. Valentin Gasta regrets not being able to be alert and stop his daughter in time. At the same time, Valentin also feels guilty for keeping it a secret all this time and leaving Anna in the dark. Sonny will appear to provide emotional support for Anna at this time. Dante will be the one to directly investigate his attack. In addition, Willow's Corinto will feel like Nina is a hero. Nina tells Willow that Nina is willing to reconcile with Collie if Collie agrees. Nina encourages Willows to convince Collies to accept a deal to buy half of the Metro building. Of course, Willow didn't know the truth behind it and agreed to help Nina. Elsewhere, Hamilton Finn got some terrible surprises. Maybe that has something to do with someone's latest attack. Of course, Finn will also face what must happen because Gregory Chase remaining days are being shortened.